Good morning. My name is Eddie C. and I'm the author of the book Trend is Friend. The date today is 17th of October 2022. It's a Monday and the time is 11:19 a.m. I welcome you to my channel by Rationale. By Rationale rationalizes 10 reasons why a stock is ready for purchase. A disclaimer though, all discussion here today is basically for information and educational purpose only. You invest at your own risk. If you should decide to make a purchase, kindly consult your licensed financial planner or your broker. Buy Rational is brought to you by Trend is Friend Investing Club. The stock that triggered this morning and which we are going to discuss is Classic Cynic Berhad. The stock code for this stock is CSC Cynic, stock code 7202. Rationale number one, which is a fundamental rationale, is to look at the intrinsic value of the stock versus the market price, which is what we call valuation. Do we buy at a discount or are we paying a premium? What is the intrinsic value of CSC Cynic? To calculate the intrinsic value of CSC Cynic, we take the enterprise value, which is 162,426 million divided by the total number shares outstanding, which is 243,474. The intrinsic value of Classic Cynic is 67 cents. The market price for Classic Cynic is 1 ringgit 23 cent as is trading currently. So you are paying almost a premium of 60 to 70 cent. The second fundamental rationale that I normally look at is to calculate how long it takes for Classic Cynic to double up. To calculate the doubling up, what we do is normally to use the rule of 72 and divided by the operating margin in the trailing 12 months. So 72 divided by operating margin trailing 12 months is about 23%. So the doubling up of Classic Cynic at $1.23 to 2 ringgit 50 cent takes about 3 years. Next, the payback period. Normally, I like to use the acquirer's multiple, which is the enterprise value over EBITDA, to calculate the payback period. Some people prefers the price earning ratio. The price earning ratio is 26 times, while the acquirer's multiple is 18 times. What it means is that it will take Classic Cynic 18 years to for a payback if you bought it at 1 ringgit 23 cent. Next is the continuity. To see whether the company has continuity, I will look at the free cash flow. Unfortunately, Classic Cynic Berhad has a negative cash flow of 13 million or close to 14 million. It has it has a total asset of 159 million and a total debt of zero. Because Classic Cynic is a more or less finance company, that means it is still a net cash company. Last but not least, I will also consider looking at the dividend. In this case, the dividend yield forward, so far Classic Cynic has not paid any dividend. The sixth rationale, which is the technical side. So on the technical side, let's take a look at the chart. On the chart, normally I would like to look at if first there is a trend forming. In this case, the red arrow here indicate that there is a trend but forming due to a higher low here. The second thing is to look at if there is a momentum. There is a momentum for Classic Cynic because the price action or the price candlestick is number one above the cloud, and number two, you can see there is a golden cross uh, of the MA 155 crossing over the MA 233. It is above these two MA lines. The entry strategy for Classic Cynic is a pullback rebound. A pullback rebound. Next, we will look at the risk reward analysis. If you purchase Classic Cynic at the current price of 123, there is a risk reward ratio of 2.29 times with a target price of 1 ringgit 46 and a stop loss of 1 ringgit 11 cent. And if the investment favors you, then you would have a risk reward ratio return of over 2.2 times. And normally I will look at the wave. In this case, Classic Cynic is very near to the apex of wave 3. So as long as it achieves the target price, you should remember to take your profit at 1 ringgit 46 cent. If you find this video educational and informative, please like, subscribe, and share to receive future notification. Please also consider subscribing for the TIFIC membership for receiving prompts whenever a trigger is confirmed. Good luck on your trading. Have a good day and